Well, good morning or afternoon, everybody. It's currently Friday, April 10th. I was thinking of ways to spend my time while I'm stuck at home, or at least limited to, general area around here. And I I have this super awesome, wonderful back porch and backyard area. Come here, Ellie. Come here, sweetheart. Oh, I'm a little afraid because this harness used to not fit her when she was a kitten. So I guess we'll see if she's grown into it. Alright, let's try and get this on you. No. Oh. Alright, so I got her harness on. She really doesn't like it. She's still trying to figure out if she can, walk while it's on. I remember when she was a kitten, she was having a little trouble with, what to do while it's on, so we'll see how that goes. Come here. Come here. Oh, look at her sploot. It's okay. I'm sorry. I know you didn't like that. Getting a little accustomed to it. I think I'm gonna let her get used to wearing the harness for a second and then take her on outside. Alright, we're taking her outside. She really likes to nom on the leash. Look, Ellie, we're outside. Do you feel the wind? I'm gonna set her down. I got you. What is this wind? What is this feeling? What is this sense of freedom? Well, she heard the birdies. I'm so afraid she's gonna try and jump off the balcony. But she seems to just be enjoying the fresh air. I'm gonna take her down into the grass. Go explore. Oh, you got yourself tangled up a little bit, baby. She's very pensive about it. I thought she would be a lot more intrigued. She heard the birds. Head through there, sweetie. Come on, it's good. We can explore. She sees a dog. She's very intrigued. She likes it out here. Whoop. Got a duck. Okay, no. She's obviously fine doing stairs in the harness. Her tail was all bushed up and she was a little scared when she came out, I think, but now no. Cars are scary. We don't want cars. I think it's time for us to call it a day. Come here, sweetheart. We'll come out tomorrow. Since you like it so much, we'll do a part 2. How do you feel about that? I think she likes that. Well, I think today was a success. I think she really liked it. So we're gonna try again tomorrow. Keep on trying until she totally digs it. Say bye, Ellie.